Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. We're out here camping on the Murray, just outside Echuca, and we've got the Kings Firepit going. We're going to do a couple of different styles of cooking on it to give it a good workout, so to speak. And tonight we've got some steaks, so let's get into it. So what are we doing there, Nas?
We're seasoning. Nice little tip for you is, put your favourite herbs and spices together. This will work on lamb, beef, fish, chicken, pretty much anything, pastas. It's essentially just oregano, basil and thyme. And nice and simple. It means you don't have to have your meat unflavoured.
No.
A little bit of salt, seasoning, only the good stuff of course. That's what we use. What is it? Natural Himalayan pink salt. And it's ready to go on the barbie.
Let's put it on, mate.
Let's get into it.
Well, we've got the Kings Firepit out here, the new Kings Firepit that I did that review on. Little card up the top there you can have a click on. So we're out here in the Murray camping. So we're going to run through the versatility of this over the weekend. This is the first time we've actually cooked some steaks on, so we've got some charcoal happening in there. And it's going to be pretty good. So we'll just turn these steaks over and see how we go. Look at that. Oh, they're looking good. This is going to be a nice dinner tonight. And then tomorrow, or later on, we might, if I can get my hands on this steak, there we go, we might show you something else we can cook on the King's Firepit. We might even do some veggies, but I don't think we will. We might put some spuds in there later on. So keep watching.